Faisal bin Rosman from RAS 1136E from my respectful lecturer, Madam Siti Nur Ashkin binti Jamal. I already completed my industrial training at Alpha Reliance Industries Sdn Bhd, starting from 20 March until 20 June 2023. So next we go to about my company. Alpha Reliance Industry is located at Puchong, Selangor, and they established in 2007, manufacturing industrial packaging film, and they produce product include a great variety of packaging material used today, ranging from plastic to stretch film. And today Alpha Reliance Industry have ISO 22000 2005 certified with HACCP and GMP by Intertek. So we go to the next slide. Position of training at Alpha Reliance Industry. I playing a role as quality control here, and playing a role as quality control and assist in food safety coordinator. And I always make sure the quality at its finest and make sure the product meets specification and the standard from customer order. It is important to make the product to make at the top quality, because we want to the consistency in every product. In Alpha Reliance Industry, I also playing a role as assistant supervisor. I assigned to help my supervisor in production section, which is my supervisor is Mr. Latif, and I do a lot of things to help him in arranging the delivery, such as print the delivery order and invoice, and then manage to do a maintenance schedule, cleaning, and other than that. So we go to the next slide, tasks during my internship program. For the first one, my task is preparing production form for every production. Production form is just like quality control form. Before we start the production, we gonna print out this form and give to workers and check by me. And task 2 is ensure the quality is meet the standard and the product no contamination to plastic film along the production process. Next is my task is incoming material checking, which is when I receive the raw material at factory, I need to check the material is good or not, and we check the COA, which is Certificate of Analysis of Raw Material, such as LDPE, HDPE, and calcium carbonate. So next is task 4. I do a report and follow-up action for my supervisor, especially in rejected item. We clarify the main problem, and we need to solve the problem as soon as possible, and as to prevent this problem happen again in future. Okay, so next is my experience during my internship program. Actually, there are a lot of kind of experience I get during the internship, but there are some of experience I highlighted in during my internship. For the first one, I learned continuous improvement initiative. This involve proposing ideas for process enhancement, participating in meeting to discuss quality related issues, and suggesting measures to optimize quality control procedure and increase efficiency. And next, I able to work as a team. I work closely in production team to understand their processes and requirement. This collaboration helped me develop a deeper understanding of how QC practices integrate with production activities, and the importance of effectiveness in communication and teamwork in maintaining the quality standard. Next, I also able to solve root causes analysis and troubleshooting. This involves investigating the quality issue, especially in rejected item, analyzing data, and working collaborative to identify the underlying causes of defect and deviation. So next, I also gain my proficiency in documenting and maintaining accurate record of inspection result. This involves meticulous attention to detail and adherence to documentation process and protocols such as production form and maintenance checklist. I also able to conduct inspection and tests. I actively participate in inspecting raw material, work in progress line, and finished product. So the conclusion to this industrial training, I was able to develop my independent self-discipline, toughness, and initiative, and problem-solving skill. My communication skill also get better as I interact with individual in English. At Alpha Reliant, I always communicate with people in English, so I think I have improved my English better, and I learned how to run a production line and how to deal with customer. I also gain my computer skill such as making delivery order and invoice. I learned a lot in this factory, and I think this experience will be helpful in future. I learned that by facing all these obstacles during the workplace, it will be very beneficial during working industry later on. So that's all for me, and thank you again.